Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a simple tutorial on how we can build a custom ngram function without the help of any package as such. So oftentimes we use this ngrams when it comes to we need to split the a portion of a particular text into different chunks or something like that. So ngrams are extremely helpful whenever we need to do some sentiment analysis or like any NLP kind of work basically. So here is a text. So we have the text like this: Thor and Loki are brothers for life. So first of all, what exactly is this? And so let's say if we need to build an ngram where let's say we need to construct this particular sentence. So for example, it will be like, first of all, we need to split this sentence, and if we just split it, then what is gonna happen? So we will have all the words stacked like this. So next, let's say I'm going to create ngram of two words. Okay. So if I'm going to create an ngram of two words, then simply it will be like so in my next cell it will be just 1 is to 3. So Thor and then comes and Loki, and next it will be simply it will be 2 is to 4. So ideally what's happening here, like we are incrementing the first index. 0 is incremented to 1, 1 is incremented to 2, similarly 2 is incremented to 3, 4, up and so on. What will be the uh, last particular index? So how many words are there? 1, 2, 3. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's say it is 5 is to 7. Then we have the last occurrence basically. So it will be like, how many words are there in total? So let's get the count of words. So text dot split. We are just taking the length of it. So we have 7. Uh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's starting from 0 to 6. Okay. So now how we can construct this one with, so normally how we do, like we just load some library called, like mainly we use maybe NLTK. So let me just show how it's being done using NLTK. So here's the code from NLTK library. So from NLTK we can import ngrams, and here we can specify the number of ngrams. So let's say I need bigram. So if I'm giving n equal to 2, and if I'm just printing it off, then what's gonna happen? So Thor and Loki are for life. Okay, so this is how we normally used to do in terms of with package. Okay, so now let's try to write this function without the help of a particular package. Okay, so we are going to build a custom ngram without the help of a package. So how it's being done? So that's the reason why I was explaining what is a split and how it's being splitted. Let's say for a particular word. Okay, so definitely we need to loop through. So first of all, what exactly is the, so let's just create a ngram list to hold the final output. Okay, now ideally what's that we need to loop through? So definitely we need to store this is the one. So text dot split, so we need to have a number here. Okay, so this is ideally what we need to loop through. And so let me just write a function. So for I in range of, let's say we are going to start with 0, and how many numbers we need to loop through. So ideally it has to go from 0 to finally 5. So 5 is nothing but length of this split divided minus 2. Okay, or let's say we cannot say like minus 2 here. In this case it's because it's a bigram. So let's just define the n here, that means let's say here it is n equal to 2. So in that case, it will be nothing but length of text dot split minus, so it will be n. Okay, let's try out this and let's see whether it's working or not. And so this is what we need to kind of loop through, and let's see whether it's working or not. So text dot split, so ideally it will be uh, I comma I is to, so it should be like I is to I plus n. So let's just try out with that, and let's append this one into the list, and let's just see what is the output. Okay, so as no length, so ideally yeah, I forgot a parenthesis. So now what's happening? So it started Thor and Loki are brothers for. So it hasn't reached till the end. That means for life. So it should ideally go one more step. So ideally we can say like it should ideally go till. So now what exactly is this number? So this number is 5. Okay. So ideally it has to just append just one more. That means we need to give -1 here. Okay. So maybe we can give this in bracket. Okay. So let's just try with this stuff. Okay, now it's correct. So let's say I'm giving 3. If I give 3, it will be Thor and Loki are brothers. Let's give 4. Okay. Finally, let's give 5. Okay. So let's just try out with here also, so that we are just confirming. Okay. So basically we have, or like we are getting the same result. So this is how we'll construct a n-gram without the help of a package. So it's simply a looping function, but where we need to clearly define what exactly is the starting index and the ending index. So that's it for today, and have a great day. Thank you.